Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I have a new Ulta haul. This was purchased back in 2020, so my last kind of makeup beauty purchases for the year. I did do kind of what a lot of us here do and do that last purchase with that coupon to stay platinum basically for 2021. So if you're interested in some necessities and things I picked out from Ulta, then keep watching. So like I mentioned, I had basically $80 I had to spend till I got to platinum for the year. I do really like having platinum. I have so much points like stocked up ready for me to do a huge purchase, but I'm so close to the amount where you get like 200 and some odd dollars off your order. So I wanted to place this order, pick up some necessities for me, and kind of save that up for a rainy day, if you know what I mean. So let's get into it. I have some new products I will be trying and some old faithful items. The first thing that's up here at the top is a Tarte Micellar Magic. So this is a makeup remover and cleanser. I'm currently using the Garnier Micellar water. It's definitely getting to the end. I really like using these things so they kind of clean your makeup for those lazy days, or it's your first step if you want to do like a full deep clean on your face. So I haven't tried this guy out, but I'm really excited to. I have enjoyed Tarte skincare in the past. I used a lot of the Rainforest of the Sea line, so I am really excited to try this out. The next thing here is my favorite face wash. This is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, and I am so close to being done with the one that I'm currently using. I haven't used this many times here on my channel. It smells like peppermint. I love when you wash and you like rub it into your skin, it froths up and kind of bubbles up. Makes me feel like I have that squeaky clean kind of face clean, and I don't know, it's just really soft, moisturizing on the skin. So I did want to pick this up in this order. My favorite Origins product by far. Then I picked up a body wash. This is from First Aid Beauty. It is their Vanilla Cookie. They had a really good sale on this after Christmas, so I grabbed it up. I do have their hand cream in Vanilla Cookie already that I purchased, I think, my last Ulta order. I'll link it up above for you guys interested. But I did really like the scent, and I figured a body wash would be a nice thing to add. I think I added this like at the very end when I needed like one more product. So I'm excited to have that. The next thing is a giant bottle. I think their later sale was going on during that time. But this is the All Soft shampoo from Redken, and I'm obsessed with their heavy cream, and I wanted to give a shampoo a go. So I was currently using, I think it was the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo. Still currently working on that, but that is getting close to being done. Or maybe it's the Kenra Detox shampoo that's in the shower. One of the two is in my shower, so I do need another shampoo. So I do like to switch it up, and I'm going to be trying the Redken one. And then, like I mentioned, the heavy cream is my favorite. So I have one currently in my shower, but I did want to purchase another one. This, guys, makes your hair feel so soft and smooth. Helps like with brushing it out, any tangles, things that you have. So if you have not tried this, this is by far one of my favorite hair products that I use every time I wash my hair. Pretty much I use it like shampoo, but I wash my hair maybe every 2 to 3 days to kind of put that into perspective for you guys. But this is a really good conditioner, or you can use that as a deep conditioner, just kind of depends on your hair. That really soaks up into the hair. It makes it feel really soft and smooth, so always have to grab that from Ulta. Also, I've purchased this from Amazon on the side note. But that is everything for this Ulta haul. Kind of quick, but bigger items that did kind of cost a lot, but they were, in my mind, justified because these are items that you use pretty much on a regular basis. And yeah, other than the micellar water that is kind of new and the body wash, but guys, these are like hygiene products, right? They're not like, I didn't buy like a whole bunch of makeup and stuff that was just gonna sit in a drawer. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.